you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. I just made my video with my microphone not turned on, so that was really annoying. So I'm gonna make it again for you guys. And so yeah, let's get into it here. And right now, Bitcoin has formed a beautiful bottom here, right around 57,000. We've rallied back into this downsloping trend line, acting as resistance for Bitcoin, right around the $60,000 level. We've seen a little bit of a rejection here so far. We'll see if Bitcoin can dump back down to this level right around 61,600, where we saw a little bit of consolidation, or is it going to dump back down in a deeper wave 4? But overall, I think we should maybe come back down to this level here, bounce back up, and then continue on higher in a 5th wave to finish the first wave 1. So that's what I'm seeing here for Bitcoin. Really good news overall. You can see on the daily time frame, we're seeing the first signs here that the trend is starting to break towards the upside. I don't really care what anyone says about bearish scenario, and I said the low 50Ks. Again, that's a possibility. Could we dump back even lower again? Yeah, it could. But we're seeing some really good signs on market side for daily time frame. Green dot low. I know we have a red money flow, but it's already starting to curl back up off this move. So don't stay stuck in a bearish bias or a bullish bias ever. But right now, you have to look at the larger trend, and the larger trend is towards the upside, right? This is a pullback. It's a consolidation phase, 2 months phase before a possible next run up, right? Is it sell in May and walk away, or is it time to buy, right? We're not in a downtrend. I know a lot of people want to make the case, this is it. We're in a downtrend. We're making lower highs and lower lows, right? Or is it just a bull flag, right? Something like this, lower highs, lower lows, and then a massive rally towards the upside. So that's just what what I think, and I think we still have one wave left towards the upside here, and I think it's going to reward us tremendously, in my opinion. But yeah, let's take a look at smart money. Well, smart money clearly indicated that the low was in, and people were buying, and that's exactly what was happening. And there we go. You got a rally from 56,900 or 56,700 all the way to 63,000 at an 11% move in essentially a handful of days, right? How many days was this? Oh, never mind. 2 days. A couple of days. Not a handful. But yeah, now you're starting to see a little bit of selling on the 1 hour time frame. You're starting to see smart money selling to the resistance here. Not too surprising. Tremendous resistance. Should be acting as a good level of a good take profit area. I think what we're gonna get here is over the weekend is probably gonna be something like this, a wave. We're probably gonna get like a wave 4 pullback, and then a chop, maybe a little bit of chop, and then another nominal high. I think we're probably gonna tag the 65K or 64,900 level, hit that as resistance, and then maybe reverse back down to match where we closed on Friday. And then we'll probably get a bigger correction from there, but the trend should be up from now. But don't be surprised if we dump back down to 57 or 60. I think there's a good shot of us continuing to push higher here, and yeah, so that's what I see right for Bitcoin right now. If we can manage to keep pushing up and continue to push up without any pullback, that'll be even more bullish, and retest this trend line as support. That would actually be amazing if we did something like this. But again, I don't want to get too ahead of myself. This Bitcoin has only rallied a little bit. I say a little bit, but it's almost like $6,000 in 2 days. But yeah, things are shaping up. Things were looking bad, right? They were looking bad, but now this is how good news can drive a market. Non-farm payrolls came in. And look what the S&P did. Look what the NASDAQ did. Look what the Russell 2000 did. Look what the Dow Jones did, right? Look at all these markets pushing higher. Look what the dollar did. The dollar had a huge break today. The high is in for the dollar, in my opinion. We had a very big break, right? This was my support level, and I said if my support level breaks, this is going to be the first signs that the rally should continue higher. And I know you guys say, the Elliott wave, it doesn't work. I said that I gave you guys the low here, even before the price came down. I gave you guys this target for low, right? For the low to come in, and it should be held as support. And then the dollar rallied higher, and now I'm saying that the dollar high could possibly be in. with this big breakdown here in the DXY. So to me, this looks like we're not going to get any of this here, and we're going to roll down, which is going to cause assets, risk assets like Bitcoin, gold, silver, not just risk asset, but like, you know, commodity like assets and risk assets all together to continue to pump higher. So that's good news overall, and I think the altcoins had a really nice bid up as well today. I'm still long on my Bitcoin Cash position, so if you guys were following my trades inside the Discord, you'd be getting access to them, and you'd be, you know, profiting tremendously from them. We have a very big Bitcoin Cash position, and I think we're just getting ready to roll up towards the upside here. So hopefully you got your bags ready. Anyways, that's it for tonight, guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Enjoy your weekend.